Yeah, we're just walk right by it.
And when we get back off the hike, we can get it.
Uh-huh.
Oh. Oh.
And then we're going all the way to the top.
Then we're going to go back down.
And then we're going to go back down.
No other one.
What you doing, Rox? Watering the desert a little bit. Keep going. Hey June, what'd you get there?
Mica.
What's cool about mica?
Shiny.
And what else?
And smooth.
And where did you find it?
On the ground.
Is there a lot of it here?
Yeah.
Cool.
We found some
What'd you find, Rox?
pretty rock.
What kind of rock is it?
It's a pretty rock.
A pretty one?
Yeah.
What makes it pretty?
It goes sparkly.
Oh. What did you find, Violet?
A rock.
A rock? What kind of rock?
Smooth rock. Smooth rock and shiny rock.
Oh, a smooth and shiny rock. That sounds cool, babe.
When we're hiking in the desert, it's important to have lots of water and shade and good places to rest and food. Because whenever we're bringing things when we're hiking, I just wipe it with my my butt with my underwear. Cactus.
Oh yeah, you got cactus in this thing. Cool. What do you guys think? You about ready to get going again?
Yeah.
Oh.
My legs are getting long.
Yeah, you're getting too big, huh?
Yeah.
You ready to go now?
I didn't even have anything.
Well, we just left the house like 10 minutes ago.
10 minutes ago?
So we're probably not quite gonna start yet.
I am starting.
You are starting.
No more. Look how much is left.
Okay. Let's do it. Let's go.
Let's go to our house. You didn't even know it was cold.
Roxy. There you go.
don't know what it is.
What does it look like? Like a
Strawberry.
seed pod or strawberry of some kind?
Flower. Those little
Oh, it's a
strawberries
flower
that
of some
grow on a
kind?
cactus.
That's a cactus flower. Okay, that's nice.
Look, we found an rock cherry that marks the trail. I lost my tooth today.
Show us.
Because after a while, the rocks out of them, and then it makes it to another trail, and then people will be like, we went to the same trail, I wanted to go on a different trail. We're at the top! Yay! We made it!
High five.
Yay!
That's a high five. High five.
I do.
High five. High five. Low five.